Hi friends, it's me again. So right now it is 4:34 a.m. and I'm up so early because my flight is at 6:30. For the first 4 days in Thailand, I'm gonna be going for a conference. Then after the first 4 days, CP will fly in and we will have a little holiday together. I have arrived, waiting for my luggage. I think I saw it. Hello everyone. I am in Bangkok on the way to the hotel. And the only reason I'm in a Grab is because I didn't want to wait for the 11 a.m. bus because it's currently 9, so I actually landed at 8. But then I walked around and I ate a bit and I realized that I'm gonna have to wait a few hours. I feel human again. I did it in 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Yes, okay, bye. Hello everybody. It is 2 p.m. and I am officially checked in to the hotel for the conference. So this is, I get my own room. Yay! Okay, room tour. Yeah, that's it. I have really good time speaking with the chairs and they're all very funny. Ladies and gentlemen. I made a little purchase of okay, I think I ordered sticky rice, muping, because I love muping, and I was eating muping that day at freaking Takashimaya of all places. And then I was like, you know what? I think the muping in Thailand would be nicer. So let us try. I ordered a lot of muping. Of course, I tipped the guy because it's a lot of muping. Ah, pain. Okay, bye. I will taste test and tell you if it's delicious. What the hell? What the hell? So that was delicious. This is my outfit of the day. Today is the opening ceremony. Okay, bye. Sometimes when I see myself in formal wear, I feel like I really look damn ridiculous. Don't look good. Okay, don't look good. Chairs, don't look good. What am I doing? I know I look crazy right now. I just need to explain myself. Chocolate sauce. Through the opening ceremony of the conference, I was seated on the table with the diplomats. And then that means that I couldn't really eat. And I just ordered stuff. You know what I ordered? Are you ready? Cheese chicken skin. Cheese powder chicken skin. Chicken wings. Prata with freaking cheese and chocolate and toast with condensed milk. What am I doing right now? And I look crazy. After the conference ended yesterday and I had my own supper thing. Cheese chicken skin. Chicken wings. I did some work and I went to sleep, and then today is the official committee day. Let me see if I can show. Hey! Room is a little messy and I'm looking forward to breakfast because apparently breakfast closes at 10 and it is right now 9:14, which gives me plenty of time to eat before I check up on the chairs and stuff like that. The thing is, I don't really want to check up on the chairs too early because if I do that, then there will be no feedback because like the committee just started, so they won't have feedback. Yeah, today maybe I'll try to film more.
Oh, wait, this is yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. So you're a vlogger now?
Hey, do you guys want to say hi? Oh, they're busy, sorry.
Okay, social media team.
I have a mic. Hi. Yes, we're gonna go into UNEP Chamber 1. Ping up with Nastasia and Raihan. SGSM. Substance Manager.
Substance manager.
How was your experience with me as Secretary General?
It's like I came back to the 2023 version of ourselves, you know? Like, yeah, it's like you never change. The video where you were like
Yeah.
introducing yourself, you were like way more reserved. I was like, has she changed or something? Did engagement change you?
Engagement.
Like a very shiny, very outspoken. I'm giving her lots of ego, feeding her lots of ego, but she
then
deserves it.
My turn.
Yeah.
So basically, for context, I met Raihan in Cambodia. And I think we were both supposed to win, but somehow we didn't. So that's a story for another day. Right? No shade. Basically, he was very nice. And one day he said, hey, do you want to come to KL? Compensated role. And I was like, I'm going to go and my organs are going to be dug out of me and I'm going to die. But it did not. And this is my fourth conference. Okay, but what I want to say is Raihan does everything. And on top of this, he has a full-time job. So I don't know how he does this.
I don't know how did it either.
How much sleep did you get last night?
4 hours.
Okay, what is going on? Emily, do you want to be in it?
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Say hi.
Wait.
You did the Lewis Griffin. Do a dance.
Yeah.
Ah, Sissy.
But they're small.
Oh, is this ASMR?
About this. It's not about the size of her clit, it's about the taste of
so.
food. Of the ocean.
Very. Interview Paris. Paris, how's your first time chairing?
It's very fun, very fun.
Okay, then ask the head chair. Pinda, how was your experience chairing with Paris the boulder?
Stressful.
How was your experience?
Absolutely amazing. I enjoyed it so much. I don't know why I'm being real. I'm usually never.
Okay, now everybody wants to be in. Say hi. Okay, say hello in your language.
안녕하세요. 사와디카.กรุงเทพ มหานคร
Krungthep Mahanakon. Then
Amon Ratna Gosen Mahantara Mahadirapop no Prat ใช่ปะมันร้องอย่างงี้ปะราชธานีบุรี ASM
Hey, welcome to my crib. Come follow me.
On stage.
Doctor. What's your favorite flavor of beef? What the hell?
Curry. Guys, line up please. Line to the right.
this is the line.
The latest at 4 p.m. Okay? I and Tiara will call your names one by one to the front to give you your fees and your certificate. Please don't lose it. Sorry?
No.
Yeah, and
It's my vlog. No, for fun.
Yo, hey, hi.
You are all thereby consenting for me to do AI on all your faces for tomorrow.
You said you do IGN now?
And then I will post you on my YouTube and sell all the rights of everybody.
YouTube.com/.
Say it, I'm gonna add your.
When I get the.
We are going back.
You have to be.
I've encountered yet another problem. I was feeling a bit hungry. Today is the closing ceremony. Today will be the closing ceremony in the evening. And then so food will only be available then. So I was like, okay, let me order boat noodles. This vlog is gonna just be me eating. I think I over-ordered. Okay, I will review. The noodles are too damn spicy. So I opened invite to the group chat and I was like, if you all like spicy noodles, come up. So let's see who will actually come up. Okay.
No, it's okay. I got that.
Why? This is almost
I want
white.
to try.
This is white for you.
No, it's okay. I try.
Hello, Ka. Okay, quick. Talk about gabbling.
I spoke about gabbling for 7 hours yesterday.
Is it spicy?
It's not. It's not.
Is it spicy?
No, it's
Don't
not
lie.
spicy at all.
Don't lie,
It's
white man, don't
completely
lie.
fine. Try it.
Amazing. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
final years, I am so incredibly proud of every single one of you.
Without further ado, please join us in welcoming our Secretary General of the Asia Uni International MUN 21st edition, Ms. Nastasia Cheng, to the stage.
Tonight, we close the chapter on what I believe has been one of the most meaningful conferences I have ever had the privilege of leading. In this conference, we gathered under the theme, The Uncertain World, Rethinking Diplomacy in the Face of Crisis. Political tensions intensify overnight that don't pause for consensus or wait for the right resolution. People who chose to engage, research positions, challenge assumptions, find common ground with delegates representing countries you've never even thought about before. Lastly, I want to sincerely thank our chairs in alphabetical order. So please stand and wave when I call your name. Adolfo! Give it up! AJ, Catalina, Cecile, Eka, Eliza, Emily, Ginny, Mark, Mama, Karen, Peter, Linda, Sandra, Pat, and Bob.
Participating and working really hard together as well.
Although we didn't pass any resolutions, we would like to say that we're very proud of our delegates for their effort.
Moving on to the most outstanding delegate, which goes to South Korea!
Hello, the conference just ended and I feel so sad because it was really fun and I think I was really lucky to get such an amazing group of chairs, like literally not one complaint. I feel everyone was so open to feedback and they really genuinely cared for all the delegates, and I think it went without, you know, huge hiccups, which is quite normal for an event of this size to have really huge hiccups, but very blessed to say that, yeah, it all went quite well. Okay, so right now we're actually going to a bar. 6 days. I'm American! Oh, so cute! Stand it! And then the delegates will be like, is that the chair? Emily.
Hello. I'm too busy serving everyone. I'm our barmaid today.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien.
I'm a thanks.
Most likely to steal your movie.
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรนาโกสินทร์
That's mine. It's best tonight.
Thoughts and prayers, Eka.
At the starting of
My wife. Trying to get the sausages. It's so hard to get it in the bag.
Oh, it's a big, nice, pretty room. I took a shower. I'm in the new hotel now. And I'm going to the washman. I got laundry. A lot of laundry. I'm gonna try take a bike to the Wagyu place. Hello everybody. I am currently in Phoenix. Oh dear. This powder is really popular too. Vanilla flavor. Best odor. I don't know how to feel about that. Best odor. But it just keeps going. It just keeps going. Okay, now we're at Platinum Durian Mask. Hello everybody, Nastasia strikes again. Today I'm eating alone. I'm eating a Wagyu buffet alone. Here is the platter. Thank you. Am I doing mukbang? I don't even know. Also got Dawn, but why does it look so big? More beef. I think I'm done. Let me read through everything I ate. Good morning. I think I lost my voice just a little bit after the Wagyu buffet last night. Knocked out. Today, I'm gonna find a cafe to sit down. Maybe explore the area because I realized I'm in quite a local area. When I was walking, like, it was like local shops and like it was not touristy. Like I wasn't living in the middle of like Platinum or something. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably get a strawberry matcha. I got a strawberry matcha yesterday. Maybe I can get another one today, or maybe coffee, and then I'll do some work and then wait for CB to come. Okay, bye. Oh, the protein. I'd like to say I even bought shrimp for Meow Meow. I was like, is this for Meow Meow? She said, yeah, it's for Meow Meow. I bought Oreo dried shrimp for Meow Meow. Cocoa espresso, and then he gave me a shot. It's coconut flower water. And then I'm gonna do some work. Today I'm at Mr. Flint Cafe and I asked about the most popular coffee and they said coconut flower espresso thing. Cocoa espresso, I think it was called. As we were speaking, we were like just making conversation. He gave me a shot of like the coconut flower juice, which was really sweet and really good. So I would like to show you my haul. Meow Meow. This is shrimp. Snack for pets. It was 50 baht. I assume this is pork skin. 25 baht. 50 baht. Little, can you see? Little tiny frog. This is really cute. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's so unique. I think it's like extra floral. It becomes extra floral. Cheese and banana.